Hello kids, welcome back to my channel Learn with Pahadi. Today we are learning A B C D E. 1 2 3 4 5. This is our colors. This is our colors. Black color, yellow color, dark green color, blue color, red color, light green color. A. A for aeroplane. One. One. B. B for basket. B. Two. Two. C. C for cartoon. C for cartoon. Three. Three. D. D for Doraemon. Four. Four. E. E for eagle. E for eagle. Five. Five. G. G for grapes. G for grapes. Six. Six. H. H for horse. H for horse. Seven. Seven. I. I for ice cream. For ice cream. Eight. Eight. J. J for joker. J for joker. Nine. Nine. K. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. 10. 10.